Set your fate. No, that's a squat stance. Yeah, that's about right. Set your grip. God damn it, Marvin! Hi, this is Marvin from Hygia Strength and Conditioning. And for coaches, have you ever encountered a lifter that always forget where they need to hold the bar for each of the exercises? And every single time they just manage to mix it up with the other lift or whatsoever, or in a deadlift, cannot get the feet in the correct position every single time? Or maybe it's not because of the memory, but maybe it's just a bit hard for them visually, especially for our older lifters, to get the correct position every single time so that it's a little bit asymmetrical or whatsoever. So if you have encountered that, I have a very good tip that you can use to help your lifter. So this is a chalkboard marker, and we normally use it to update our PR board behind over here. But I use this marker and I will just draw a few lines on the barbell to indicate where they need to grip the bar, or for example in a deadlift where they need to align their shin at, so that they can get a perfect setup every single time. Now, there's nothing really special about this marker. You can use your normal lifting chalk to do that, but sometimes when you're using a normal chalk, after a few sets, if the chalk rubs with your thigh, then it will be gone and then you need to draw it again. But for this marker, it's a little bit harder to erase. So it will stay for the whole session, but at the same time, in this case, once your session is done, then you need to erase it. Now, the thing about this tip is that you can apply the same thing to any other lifts. For example, when you are benching. And if you're benching underneath a bright light, it's quite hard for you to find where is the score mark, where do I need to grip, where is the start of the knurling. So draw a line on the barbell, draw one line on each side in fact, so that you can get the consistent symmetrical grip every single time. Same goes with the squat or overhead press. Just mark where the lifters need to hold, then they get it every single time. Now, if you want to be creative, you can use the same concept to do another thing, which is to fix someone's eye gaze. I typically do this for the squat or the overhead press to create a new target for the lifter so that they can look and focus on the right spot on the wall. These are some of the examples that I did with Ellie for the overhead press and for the squat. Okay, in case you're wondering, I'm using this kind of red tape that we normally use to border our platform. So basically, that's all. You can use and apply this trick for any other lift as a visual cue for your lifter, either to set up for their lift correctly or probably slightly improve their form by fixing their eye gaze. I hope this helps, and please give us a subscribe and a like for this video if you find it useful. Thank you.